Women don't usually define romance and affection in the same way men do. Sometimes, a woman may be perfectly satisfied with cuddling in the arms of her husband. This may be a delightfully romantic experience for her. In contrast, her husband may think her desire to cuddle is her way of seducing him, even though having sex with him may be the farthest thing from her mind. I have coached many couples through the years. During my sessions, the majority of women who admitted to having extramarital affairs said they were more excited about the romance than they were about having sex with their secret lover. Most of them also said they would have preferred having sex with their husband had he been more responsive to their needs. These findings suggest that romance in your marriage could be a factor in insulating your marriage against extramarital affairs. Therefore, if you have not been as romantic as you should have been in the past, maybe it's time to step up your game. Visit a travel bureau, check out the entertainment options in your community, or call your local chamber of commerce to find out what's happening in your area. You may find something that your wife may like to do, and being romantic may not require a big budget. You may only need an active imagination to plan something that your wife will find romantic and memorable. A romantic interlude would be incomplete if a woman does not hear her husband verbally express his love for her. So before a romantic evening ends, be sure to say, "I love you." Furthermore, your wife should hear this from you every day. This is another marriage success moment with Dr. David Stevens.